First you need to open the website, then you need to create a Google Analytics account. So when after creating the account, you will get this type of dashboard, and you will get the tracking code on the page of admin. After clicking the setting, the setting sign that's called admin, after that you will get a tracking code here, like tracking info, tracking code. This is the tracking code, like this is the JavaScript code. You just need to copy and paste it to your WordPress websites on the header section area. Just copy it from here. Now we are going to copy and paste the code into these sites. Like so we need to install a plugin to paste this code. Like add new, then you need to search insert header and footer to paste the code into this site. I am installing these plugins. You will get different kinds of plugins here for inserting the code, but I like these plugins most. After activate this plugin, you will get an option on the setting menu, like insert header and footer. Just click it, then you just paste the code on the header like this, and then just click save button. Now if you visit this site, you can see that on the home of the Google Analytics page, you can see active user right now 1. So our code is active, and we can track our visitors and all the other things of our site, the performance of our WordPress site by this analytics. And if you want to see the performance in this dashboard area, you have to install another plugin called Monsterinsights. Like you see Google Analytics dashboard plugin for WordPress Monsterinsights. So you just need to install this plugin and then just activate it. Now you can see this setup wizard of these plugins. Just click launch wizard. Now finish the initial setup. Like this is our business website, and connect Monsterinsights. Now you just have to connect your analytics to your, just accept the permission, and you have to just click complete the connection. Now the site is connected with the Google Analytics, and you can see the report from your WordPress dashboard. See, we have no page view yet. When it is coming or visitor starts to visit the page, you will get the reports here. Just inside, so you can see a tab, new tab or option on our WordPress website called Insights. That's all about today's video. If the video is helpful for you, please hit the subscribe button to get more useful video for you, and thank you so much.